Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to unblock your Monzo account, step by step, so you can get back to using your money without any hassle. First, open the Monzo app on your phone and try logging in. If your account is blocked, you'll see a message explaining why it's locked. This could be due to security reasons, multiple incorrect login attempts, or unusual activity. Next, tap on Need Help or the option to contact support directly from the app. Monzo has a built-in chat that connects you with their support team, so you don't have to make a call or wait in long queues. When you start the chat, explain that your account is blocked and follow the instructions the Monzo support agent provides. They may ask you to verify your identity by confirming personal information, such as your full name, date of birth, or the last few digits of your account or card. Once your identity is confirmed, the support team will unblock your account. In some cases, you may be asked to reset your password or PIN to make sure your account is secure. After completing these steps, you should be able to log in and access your Monzo account normally. And that's it. Getting your Monzo account unblocked is straightforward once you follow the steps and verify your identity through the app. If this guide helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more Monzo tips and banking tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.